Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Here we're looking for Do Not Disturb mode, which I believe by default is actually not added, so we will need to do that ourselves. And you can do that by clicking on this pencil icon right here and scrolling down, and you should have your Do Not Disturb mode somewhere here, and for me it's right here. Once you see it, hold it and you will see that the text right here changes, and then just simply drag the icon over that text. Once you drop it, it will get added, and when you go back you can now find it on one of the pages. From here, once you see your toggle, if you're doing this the first time around, you probably might want to customize it, and you can do so by holding the toggle, which will then quickly take you to the settings. And here we have things like people. Under this category we can select who can call us or message us, and you have options like stare contacts, which are basically favorite contacts, anyone or no one, and there is an additional option, allow repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever you have selected above here. Now going back, we also have things like schedule. Here you can select a fully automatic schedule. There's two that are pre-made on this device. You can edit the ones that are pre-made. You can also add your own, and you have two options. You can either select it on a time or event. Now going into the settings, we have things like days of the week, so you can select what days of the week the mode will turn on during, and then start and end time. Now if you're planning to use a schedule, just make sure that it is toggled on here, like so, and that's all you would need to do. The device will then turn on the actual mode for you once the time comes, and obviously also turn it off once the time approaches. And under advanced we have additional option which I do want to focus on, which is duration for quick settings. Now this will be a good option for people that tend to use this mode on random occasions and might forget that they have enabled it. For those people, I recommend changing this to a timed version, which is the middle option, and then making it a little bit longer, maybe like 3 or 4 hours, depending on how long you think you will need the mode for. And what this will do is, once enabled, when you toggle on your Do Not Disturb mode, it will turn it on for exactly the set amount of hours that you have chosen right here. Afterwards, it will turn it off automatically. And additionally, if you do remember about it, you can turn it off yourself before that timer by just tapping on it once again. And obviously, as you can see, once everything is set to turn it on and off, all you need to do is just simply tap on a toggle, and there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.